Sandstorm. Let's check it out. Love the opening. Boom. Song definitely will give you energy, make you want to run. Run to the rave. Makes you want to jump up and down. Calms down. Avoid. All the build-up. So epic. Gotta love runs on the train tracks. Oh. He's like, oh, really? Really, guys? He's just like, come on, guys. Group hug. Group hug, everyone. Gather around. Let's all just hug it out now that we're rich. On our boat. Yes. Anyway, enough joking around. This song is very fast-paced, like the spinning threads. Very fun, 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 fun. Very hyper song, makes you want to be hyper active and run around, run to a rave. Yeah, this brings back good memories. This used to be one of my favorite songs back in the day. Back when I was a teenager. Yeah, woo! Nostalgic. I love nostalgic songs. I like reacting to nostalgic music for me. Also new music, I react to a bunch of different things. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed listening to the song with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!